Iraq's financial evolution, the rise of the Iraqi dinar, digital currency, and economic transformation. Introduction: a nation at the crossroads. Iraq has been at the center of economic discussions for years, particularly regarding the Iraqi dinar, IQD, and its future. With rumors of revaluation, RV, the introduction of a digital dinar, and Iraq's increasing integration into the global financial system, investors and financial analysts are watching closely. This article explores Iraq's economic history, financial reforms, the impact of oil exports, the role of the Central Bank of Iraq, CBI, and the potential revaluation of the Iraqi dinar. We'll also dive into how digital banking and international trade are shaping Iraq's financial future. 1. Iraq's economic journey. From conflict to recovery. 1.1. Iraq's economic challenges. Iraq has faced decades of wars, sanctions, and political instability, which have severely impacted its financial growth. Key challenges include wars and conflicts: the Gulf War, 1991, Iraq War, 2003, and battles against insurgent groups devastated the nation's economy. Sanctions and inflation. Following the Gulf War, international sanctions caused hyperinflation and a drastic drop in the Iraqi dinar's value. Corruption and mismanagement. Despite being one of the world's richest oil-producing nations, corruption and mismanagement have delayed economic progress. 1.2. The role of oil in Iraq's economy. Iraq's economy is heavily dependent on oil exports, contributing to over 90% of government revenue. While oil wealth has helped rebuild infrastructure and stabilize finances, it has also created economic vulnerability as global oil prices fluctuate. 1.3. Post-2003 economic reforms. After the fall of Saddam Hussein in 2003, Iraq began rebuilding its financial sector with new banking regulations to encourage investment, foreign partnerships to develop industries outside of oil, currency stability, measures to control inflation, and strengthen the Iraqi dinar. 2. The Iraqi dinar, history, devaluation, and revaluation prospects. 2.1. The dinar's decline. The Iraqi dinar, IQD, was once valued at over $3 per dinar in the 1970s. However, due to wars, sanctions, and political instability, the value plummeted. As of recent years, the IQD per USD exchange rate has hovered around 1,300 to 1,500 IQD per USD, making it one of the most undervalued currencies. 2.2. What is currency revaluation, RV? A currency revaluation refers to a deliberate increase in the value of a currency by a country's central bank. If Iraq were to revalue the dinar, it could mean a higher exchange rate against the US dollar, increased purchasing power for Iraqis, more foreign investment into Iraq's economy. 2.3. Is a revaluation possible? Many investors and experts have speculated about an IQD revaluation. The Central Bank of Iraq, CBI, has made several policy moves that indicate a potential currency shift, strengthening foreign currency reserves to support the dinar's value, introducing a digital dinar to modernize transactions, encouraging foreign investment to boost confidence in the currency. While a drastic RV, e.g., $1 per dinar, is unlikely in the short term, a gradual increase in value remains a strong possibility. 3. Digital dinar. Iraq's entry into the digital currency revolution. 3.1. What is the digital dinar? The digital dinar is Iraq's plan to introduce a digital form of its national currency to enhance banking efficiency, reduce fraud, and support economic growth. This digital initiative aims to Improve banking accessibility for Iraqis. Reduce reliance on physical cash. Strengthen financial transparency. 3.2. How will it work? Unlike cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Iraq's digital dinar will be government-backed and linked to real assets such as gold reserves, oil revenues, foreign currency reserves. This will ensure stability and trust in the new financial system. 3.3 Benefits of a digital dinar: faster transactions. Digital payments will speed up commerce and reduce cash dependency. Financial security. Digital records help track transactions, reducing money laundering and corruption. International integration. Iraq will be better positioned to join global trade networks. The role of the Central Bank of Iraq, CBI, in stabilizing the dinar. The Central Bank of Iraq, CBI, plays a key role in regulating monetary policy to control inflation, managing foreign reserves to support the dinar, introducing financial reforms to stabilize the economy. Recent CBI policies suggest that Iraq is preparing for a stronger, more stable dinar in the future. 5. How Iraq's economic growth can influence the dinar's value. 5.1. The impact of oil revenue. Iraq's oil exports generate billions in revenue, which helps increase foreign reserves, strengthen currency stability, attract global investments. 5.2. Foreign direct investment (FDI) growth. Iraq is opening up its economy to international investors in real estate infrastructure and banking, which could help boost the dinar's value. 5.3. Inflation control and economic policies. To maintain a stable currency, Iraq needs to keep inflation rates low, implement strict financial regulations, encourage domestic industries beyond oil. 6. Global reactions to Iraq's economic policies. 6.1. The International Monetary Fund, IMF, on Iraq's currency. The IMF has supported Iraq's financial reforms, highlighting the importance of economic diversification, the need for monetary stability, the potential benefits of a stronger dinar. 6.2. U.S.-Iraq economic relations. The United States remains a key player in Iraq's financial development, supporting banking reforms and trade agreements. 6.3. Gulf countries and regional trade. Iraq is building stronger economic ties with Gulf countries like Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, and the UAE, which could further stabilize its currency. 7. The future of the Iraqi dinar and Iraq's economy. 7.1. Can Iraq achieve a stronger dinar? For Iraq to strengthen the dinar, it must diversify its economy beyond oil, maintain political stability, implement financial transparency to boost investor confidence. 7.2. What can investors expect? While an immediate revaluation is unlikely, Iraq is moving toward a gradual appreciation of the dinar through economic growth and digital transformation. Conclusion: Iraq's financial future looks promising. Iraq is on the path to economic recovery and modernization. The introduction of a digital dinar, rising oil revenues, and financial reforms are signs of positive change. While challenges remain, Iraq's commitment to financial stability and currency growth suggests that the future of the Iraqi dinar is brighter than ever. What do you think? Will Iraq's financial policies lead to a stronger dinar? Let us know your thoughts.